Today, it's my first day of heritage. Please meet Snigdha.
My second week of Heritage College.
Yes, and she dressed up because she knew the vlogger bestie is coming today. And this is Ruchi. We are twinning. Unfortunately, लोग आ गए अब डर लग गया. This is the college, Heritage College. It's a big building, and we have our class in the 5th floor, the 2nd floor. This is the campus, and it's so nice. Hi, Ruchi. And it literally feels like we are in a society, like
Coincidentally, we are twinning.
exactly coincidentally, that was so unplanned. And we are this is not exactly our break time, it's just we are new to this minor class and everything.
अंकल
So
लेबर कैंटीन को था अंकल लेबर कैंटीन को था हाँ वहाँ पे अच्छा
दो कैंटीन है लेबर
हाँ हाँ ठीक है
so we are planning to go to the
लेबर्स कैंटीन
exactly. ये तो गेट है, चल निकल जाते हैं, भाग जाते हैं.
मैं चली देखो प्यार की
Love the view. Various hostels here too, like Vivekananda Hostel. Let me zoom in. Then we have the Nivedita Hostel. It's majorly girls, all girls. It's majorly all girls, and we are just exploring the campus a bit because it's our first day, and why not? So here we are, and we are going back to our class, which is in the 2nd floor, room number 205. So if you all ever want to meet us, आ जाओ वहाँ पे. But other than that, I think it's a good place, a nice college. Anyways. Oh, we have the library here too, but we'll explore that later.
छोटी चलते हुए इसका रोज वॉकिंग होते होते हाइट बढ़ जाएगा मेरी
Exactly.
वाओ
We are heading toward our class. There's a CCTV camera. So if they're watching
अगर
us
कुछ
film,
हुआ
अगर कुछ हुआ,
ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल
so जिसके हाथ में फोन है वो
ये
responsible है.
रिस्पॉन्सिबल है
Anyways, we are.
ये देखो
I think we are here.
वार्निंग रैगिंग इज अ क्राइम
No, this is the first floor.
रैगिंग इज अ क्राइम रैगिंग रैगिंग इज अ क्राइम खड़े हो जाओ और
Ambience is nice. The classes are over. It was not practically classes since we did not have any study materials today. First, क्या? Cafeteria. Okay, so basically our classes have ended. It's like literally 1:30 right now, and this is not the usual time for the classes to end. But then again, it was our first day. It was an introductory session most probably, and we learned a lot more things about our syllabus, the structure, the materials, and the timetable and everything. Well, this is the cafeteria. Okay.
That's weird.
Is this actually the cafeteria? What the we bought a brownie. We had a burger over here too, a chicken burger, which was someone's decision. But unfortunately or fortunately, it tasted like ass. Worse than that. इतना गंदा मैंने आज तक अपने हाथों से नहीं बनाया. First try में जितना मुझे यहाँ लगा. And I mean, it's okay, the air and everything, it's okay. But then again, this brownie was good though, because they warmed it up a lot, so it was like very nice. Yeah, so we have a plan to buy what? Maggie. क्या खाएंगे कल हम लोग? We'll check out the library later, and I'll get to you all when we'll check out the library later. All the best, guys. Headed to the library. Hello guys.
Princess statement.
We are heading to the library because we are very studious. I don't think I'll be able to record down there, so I'm recording. The library is already here. I'm whispering. You all should know that. We keep our bags here, and then the library is the whole library situation. I can't record while I'm in there, so yeah. Turf, or like the football field, or like the cricket field, or like whatever field, but it's like very beautifully made with by the view is the main thing, and I like the view. I like the view. Kachi. Okay. Guys, the peer pressure is very high, including my social anxiety. रुचि, आप सोशल एंजाइटी के बारे में 2 शब्द बोलिए प्लीज़.
रुचि सोशल एंग्जाइटी है रुचि को सोशल एंग्जाइटी है
एंड संजना को सोशल एंजाइटी है, तो
हाँ.
दोनों को
सोशल एंग्जाइटी है.
exactly. So now we are heading out since we checked out the campus, canteen, library, and the turf, the field, the everything. Bow and archery, guys. भाई इधर क्या नहीं होता है.
तीर धनुष.
Exactly. अब महाभारत करेंगे हम लोग. This is the what college?
HIT Heritage Institute of Technology.
Heritage Institute of Technology College, where we attended our acquaintance program. So this is after 0 hours of studying.
बहुत थक गए हैं.
बहुत थक गए हैं.
लाइब्रेरी में बुक खोल के भी बैठे थे.
Exactly. We went to the library, we opened a book. I checked out a first chapter का कुछ sub topics. Meanwhile, yeah, so happens. Anyways, so हम लोग ये वाले गेट से जाएंगे, as मैंने दिखा दिया है. इसके कंस्ट्रक्शन के वजह से look the state, very कीचड़ vibes. This destroyed my jeans, but I fixed it because जिसके पास दम है उसके पास हम. Anyways, अरे डोगेश भाई. Oh no, privacy guys, privacy. Oh wait, unofficially showing you all the law college.
And the lawyer of this college.
That is the Heritage Law College. This building, big building. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. ये रुमाल को पकड़ना ना, वो बंद करके धप से करना है. बाय बाय गाइस.